Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to optimize your PC for gaming. 1. Update your GPU drivers. For NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, click on Drivers and then select Check for Updates. If an update is available, click Download and install it. 2. Configure monitor refresh rate. To improve visual fluidity, set your monitor's refresh rate to the highest available. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Go to Advanced Settings and under Refresh Rate select the highest available, like 144 or 240. 3. Which is an optional method, overclocking. Overclocking your GPU can improve performance, but it should be done cautiously to avoid overheating and system instability. You need to download an overclocking software like MSI Afterburner to increase core clock and memory clock speed slightly. And that's it, guys. If you want more, you can turn on game mode on Windows. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode and turn it on. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.